In the name of Allah, the greatest, the most merciful, and the most compassionate. In today's lecture, I will deliver effect of exercise on the rate of breathing. What is mean by breathing? Breathing is a physical process in which air move and out in the body. It is done to get oxygen from the air and release carbon dioxide in it. Now, what is the effect of exercise on the rate of breathing? When we do exercise, it causes the variation in breathing process. It means exercise can affect on the process of breathing. Under resting condition, the rate of breathing is 15 to 20 times per second. Resting condition, the rate of breathing is 15 to 20 times per minute. During exercise, the rate of breathing is increased. In this condition, more oxygen is required for the breakdown or the oxidation of glucose molecule and release more energy. So in this condition, carbon dioxide is produced and which accumulates in the blood. This blood reach the brain, the medulla or the breathing center, detect more carbon dioxide in the blood, and send nerve impulse to diaphragm and the muscle of ribs. Now the during exercise, the rate of breathing is increased up to 30 to 40 times per minute. I end my lecture on this topic. If this video beneficial for you, like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this.